Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an update for Deck of Panning. Deck of Panning is a project pan that I created after being inspired by Books with Maddie, who had a booktube channel, and I got her permission to adapt this into a project pan. This is a game board style project pan. It's a little bit chaotic, my favorite things. I am working on 5 items, and when we meet a goal, we draw a new card and choose something new to roll in. So let's just get started with the product. I still have 2 products in from January, which I kind of hate, but part of me is also committed to these items. The first, for the prompt foundation, I rolled in my ColourPop Pretty Fresh Tinted Moisturizer, and I do feel like I've been making pretty good progress on this. My goal is to finish it, of course. I had used this 26 times when I last updated you, and I have used it 14 more times since then for a total of 40 uses in this project, and I have a total of 65 tracked uses on this since I owned it / when I started tracking. I'm not really sure. This window is definitely getting larger, although I do know there is still products on the side here, but that is a good indicator to me that I am making slow and steady progress on this. I am closer to finishing a different foundation, so I definitely reach for that more frequently than this one. For the prompt oldest, I chose my oldest lip gloss, which is this BareMinerals Marvelous Moxie gloss in the shade Trailblazer. As of the last update, I had used it 15 times in the project, and I have since worn it 9 days since then, so that is a total of 24 uses in this project, and I have a total of 43 days of tracked uses on this lip gloss, and I am nearly at the halfway point. This is probably the longest lasting lip gloss I have ever had the displeasure of panning. I am wearing it today. It's a pretty color. It's just a warm, sparkly gloss, but the formula is a bit dated. I certainly have lip glosses I prefer over this one, and just the fact that it is so slow moving, I estimate that this is going to be like 100 uses to finish. For the prompt focus, I chose my Too Faced Cocoa Contour palette. This is on my 25 products to pan in 2025. So this prompt is just focusing and reflecting on your own panning goals for the year and making sure you're on track, or you're rolling in things that are actually for moving you towards meeting your goals. I have a goal to finish the shade Light Cocoa here, and I'm sure you can see that I have been making really good progress on this. I had used it 12 times as of my last update, and since then I've used it 14 more times for 26 uses in this project. And I had been using it consistently before then as well. I have a total of 162 tracked uses on this face palette, which is incredible, and I'm looking forward to getting rid of this bulky packaging. I have been reaching for the bronzer and the contour shade here and there as I have this out in my everyday makeup bag, but once Light Cocoa is gone, I don't feel a desire to hold on to this face palette, so that is ultimately my goal, is to get rid of this bulky packaging. I rolled in 2 new products in the last update, and I'm sad to say that I haven't made the best progress on these items. So for the prompt, a product you wish you returned, I chose my replica From the Garden perfume. I explained when I rolled this in that I love the scent of this, to just smell it, to have my home smell like this, maybe as a candle. But as a perfume, like for me to smell like this, I just don't love it. So I've been wanting to wear it a little bit just because I'm weird about like wasting fragrance as a room spray. I have been like spraying it like above me but away so it lands on my bed because my husband really likes the smell, and I do get, you know, a little bit of that scent on me as well. And then I've been mixing this with a more gourmand scent, not like pure vanilla or super sweet, like a gourmand with a little bit of complexity. And for some reason, the fresh tomato leaves, like kind of grassiness of this fragrance mixed with this sweetness of something else, I do really like that combination, but only with like a whiff of this in the mix. Does that make any sense? So more than anything, my room smells like From the Garden, and I probably have doubled the space of what we had before. My goal is to get this halfway. If I continue using it that way, I'm a little bit more conscious of it. I think I can meet my halfway goal in maybe for the next update. I might need 2 more months with this. And then for a baby goal, which like I definitely should have been able to complete since I last updated you, I rolled in my Natasha Denona Mini Nude Palette, and I have kind of like a 2 for goal. No pan left behind. Of course, it's only 5 shades. Surely I can manage that. But I also wanted to use the palette as a whole 5 times. So I didn't just create one look and then immediately put it away, and I didn't want to only have reached for this palette one singular time this year. So 5 uses, no pan left behind on this. I have only used 3 of the shades in the one time I've used this palette. I have used these 2 shades here and this dark brown. I still have these 2 shimmers to use. I have quite a large dip in this one. It's been repressed like 2 times because it kept falling out, but now I'm eyeballing it, wondering if I could hit pan in that someday. But anyways, I need to use 2 more of the shades and reach for this palette 4 more times before rolling it out. So I do not have a rollout today, but in keeping with my chaotic nature, I'm going to draw a card anyways. I am going to pop up what the game board is looking like for this August update. I do update it around the 10th of every month, and I'm just going to be bumping my project up to 6 products, and that is fine with me. I'm giving my little mini cards a shuffle here, and I am just going to pull off the top. This is the Ace of Clubs, which is exactly what I got last time, and it is another baby goal. So honestly, I'm gonna take it and not look the gift horse in the mouth, or I don't really know how that saying is supposed to go, but because I'm adding in an extra product as a punishment, thank you so much, Pan and Gods, for baby goal as my prompt. For baby goal, I've sat here for a little bit, and I have been missing kind of shopping my stash for foundations in particular, because I feel like I haven't had a foundation empty yet this year, and I've been really dedicated to the ones that I'm panning, including the tinted moisturizer in this project. So I'm pulling in a foundation that I would love to get 5 uses on before the end of summer, before I lose my tan. I have used this, I think, twice this year, which is not nearly enough for being one of my tippy top favorites, if not my favorite foundation in my collection right now, or at least especially for the summertime, and that is the Urban Decay Face Bond foundation. This is so good if you have oily skin. I have mine in the shade 6 Fair Warm, which I think is a pretty good color for me. It looks a little too warm in the bottle, but I swear when it's on the face it does look good. And like I said, I think I've only reached for this twice so far this year, and then I would like begrudgingly be like, okay, I've used it once, I'm now gonna hide you away and go back to my focus ones. So I'm now going to be able to put this in my everyday makeup bag and use it 5 times, so I feel less guilty about how neglected this product is. But this is what I'm going to be rolling in today for 5 uses. In terms of the next update, I really only think that the baby goals could potentially be rolled out more realistically my palette, but we shall see. I actually probably will use this 5 times pretty rapidly, especially on these hotter days. So that is my update for deck of panning for the month of August. Let me know how you are doing in your project pans. I love chatting with you guys in the comments. And if you enjoyed today's project pan update, don't forget to give it a thumbs up so that I know, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!